Hello everyone and welcome back to our fun English chat. Today we are going to talk about our daily routines from morning until night. It is going to be easy and full of useful phrases.
Hi, Mia. Hi, everyone. I already have my coffee. How are you feeling today?
I am great, Alex. I woke up early and the morning feels fresh. Our topic is daily life and routines. Everyone has a day, right?
Yes, we all have mornings, afternoons, and nights. Some people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and interesting. This is perfect for English practice.
Exactly. We use simple words to talk about our day. But first, please like this video if you enjoy it.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons.
Yes, and share this with a friend who is learning English. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start at the beginning. The morning.
Oh, I love the morning. I am a morning person. I wake up early before the sun rises.
Wow, really? I am not a morning person at all. My alarm clock is loud. Beep, beep, beep. I hate that sound.
Haha. I use soft music for my alarm. The house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is just me and peace.
For me, the morning is difficult. I press the snooze button many times. 5 minutes more, then 5 minutes more again.
Oh, Alex. So when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is already late. I jump out fast. What is the first thing you do, Mia?
The most important thing is coffee. I make coffee with a little hot milk. It feels warm and nice.
I run to the coffee machine too. I like my coffee strong and black. No milk, no sugar. Just coffee.
That sounds strong. After coffee, I look out the window and think quietly. What about you?
I look at my phone. I check news and emails. Sometimes I forget time.
Okay, next is breakfast. I like a good breakfast. Yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs.
Breakfast is very fast for me because I am late. I eat toast with butter or just a banana. Very simple.
You are funny. After breakfast, I take a hot shower. Hot water helps me wake up.
Me too. A hot shower is good. Then the difficult part begins. Choosing clothes.
Yes, I look in my closet. I have many dresses, but I always think I have nothing to wear.
My system is easy. I only have blue shirts, white shirts, grey shirts. I grab one and done. No thinking.
That is very smart, Alex. Now we go to work. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It is crowded, but I listen to music or podcasts with my headphones.
I drive my car. The traffic is slow. Stop and go, stop and go. I listen to loud music to stay happy.
Now we are at work. My work day is busy. First, I need more coffee.
Of course. I go to my desk, turn on the computer and see many emails.
I read emails, write emails, then have meetings. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people and help them. I like my job, but emails never end.
Lunchtime is my favorite. Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, I make salad or sandwich. It is cheap and healthy. What about you?
I am not organized. I buy lunch at a small cafe near the office. I walk 10 minutes to get fresh air.
Good idea. In the afternoon around 3 o'clock, I feel sleepy. I drink green tea.
Me too. I eat a small snack like an apple. Sometimes I eat a cookie.
At 5 o'clock, work finishes. I go home in my car. Traffic is bad again, but I am happy.
I go home on the bus. I am tired and just look out the window.
When I open the door, first thing I say hello to my dog Max. He jumps and barks happily.
I say hello to my cat Bella. She looks at me and says, meow. It means, give me food.
Cats are funny. After greeting pets, I change clothes. I take off work clothes and put on comfortable t-shirt.
Yes, comfortable clothes feel so good. Then dinner time. I am usually hungry.
I like cooking. It relaxes me. I cut vegetables, listen to music, and make soup or pasta.
Cooking is stressful for me. I burn chicken, burn rice. One time I even burned the water.
How do you burn water? Haha. So what do you eat?
I make simple eggs or order pizza. Pepperoni pizza is my favourite.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I walk Max outside. The night is quiet and I see stars.
I sit on my big red sofa with Bella. She sleeps on me. I watch funny comedies on TV. I need to laugh.
Reading is nice too. I read a book before bed. What time do you sleep, Alex?
Around midnight, I watch one more movie or look at internet. I am a night owl.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, read 10 minutes, and sleep fast.
Your routine is very organised and healthy, Mia. Mine is messy but funny.
And your stories make everyone laugh. We talked about our whole day from alarm clock to pajamas.
Yes, from coffee to bedtime. It was nice sharing with you.
Thank you everyone for listening. We hope you learned many useful English phrases.
Please like this video if you had fun. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Share with friends who want to practice English. Tell us in comments. Are you a morning person like me?
Or are you a night person like me? We love reading your routines.
Practice these phrases every day. Wake up, drink coffee, go to work, come home, relax.
Keep speaking English with confidence. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Have a wonderful day or night.
Bye, Mia. Bye, friends. Keep practicing.
Remember, small daily practice makes big progress in English.
Yes. Talk to you soon.